sight becomes compromised for different reasons. For me, it was age-related. So about 10 years ago, I started going to the convenience store, to the eyeglasses rack. So of course it started with number 1, and then we went to number 1.2, and then like 175, and then a couple of years later, then it was the 225 and the 3. And I'm like, wait a minute, this is crazy. I'm buying all these glasses, and so, okay, I need to do something else. Then I got a prescription for contact lenses. I'm like, I got this. Then I found out that I was contact lens challenged. It would take me an hour at least to get my contacts in. But I tried. I do a number of things. I work from my home office. Yes, I do spend a lot of time in front of the computer. And from time to time, I work on camera. And my on-camera look is, you know, my regular look. So I would try to get these contacts in to get to the set or to go and audition, and it was just bonkers. So I was scrolling social media, and I saw the graphic and then the video for Excel Laser Vision with Dr. Musa. So I'm like, Then they had a free consultation. I'm like, I'm gonna go in for the consultation. And I went in, and the consultation really was free, like free. First of all, the offices were just beautiful and pristine. The staff was so friendly, and I sat in front of the most state-of-the-art equipment to do all these various scans of my eyes. So I'm like, am I a candidate for LASIK? It turns out I was a candidate. I'm like, a candidate? Who knew? Then we talked about pricing, and they had flexible ways and terms in which you could pay for it, and I decided to get it. So on the day of the surgery, I arrived. They said it would only be about 15 minutes. So the staff checked me in, and it was everything that they said. Ever since that day, it's like I've got a portion of my life back. I can see. So what I would say to anyone who's afraid is just come and get the consultation. They're not paying me to say this. I am here because I'm so grateful for the freedom now that I have to just wake up and see. When I look in the mirror in the morning, I don't see a blurry person looking back at me. I don't have to grab glasses or contacts just to see. There's no barrier between me and my sight. For those who have had compromised vision, your whole lives, and you have to wear glasses and you're not a candidate, I have just the greatest passion and love for you. For those who can put contacts in every day, 2 thumbs up for you too. And no judgment. But now, if I decide to put on a pair of fabulous rims or glasses, I'm making a fashion statement, because I have experienced an option that allows me to see 24/7, 365, day or night, and I'm so grateful for that.
We're excited to see you come visit us at our office at Excel Laser Vision Institute. We have locations in Los Angeles and Orange County. One of the great experiences you can have is our free comprehensive eye exam that's of no cost to you, but a consultation for LASIK that will establish your candidacy. We look forward to seeing you in the near future.